Correlational coefficient. It is a number between -1 and +1 that states how strong a correlation is. If it is close to 0, then there is very little connection between the two variables at all. If it is approaching +1, there is a positive correlation, aka the variables are directly proportionate, with the both of them increasing as a consequence of one's increment or decrement. If it is approaching -1, then there is a negative correlation, aka the variables are inversely proportionate, with the both of increasing/decreasing as a consequence of the other decreasing/increasing. Evaluating correlations. A correlational study can only be effective/valid if the measures of both variables test real occurrences. For this, the variables must be clearly well-defined and relate directly to the relationship that is being investigated. The reliability of the correlation is dependent on the consistency of the variables. For some correlations, such as those which utilize scientific scales, the measures will be high in reliability, as they can be tested again and results will be objective. For other cases, in which variables were measured using techniques such as self-reports or observations, there is the plausible risk that reliability will be lower, as it will be difficult to replicate and results will be subjective. One of the most important aspects to consider with correlations is that conclusions do not necessarily reflect a causal relationship. Correlation does not mean causation. Correlations are, however, a good opening argument for conducting or studying a research. They can indicate and even confirm that whether an existing relationship might be worth investigating with methods of research such as experiments. They are useful because they facilitate researchers to explore and then navigate problems, hypothetically, when it is not practically or ethically possible to conduct experiments.